Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful bigger size puffler. First you make a magic ring. There are many ways of making this magic ring, but this is one of the simplest. Now insert a crochet hook in the space and chain 2. Then you make 11 double crochet in the magic ring. The first 2 chains will be counted as your first double crochet. Therefore, it counts as 12 double crochet in the magic ring. Keep pulling the yarn tail to adjust the magic ring according to your comfort. Now pull the yarn tail and close the ring nice and tight. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you can pull the yarn tail to tighten it a bit more. Then insert your crochet hook in the beginning of the circle or to the other end and make a slip stitch. And now the circle is complete. So now we'll change the color for the petals. You can use any color of your choice, but I'm using white. To add the next color, just insert your crochet hook in the space and pull through the yarn doubled and begin. Now chain 4, yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the same space and pull up a loop to the size of the 4 chains. Yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the same space once again and pull up to the same size. Once again yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the same space and pull up a loop to the size of your 4 chains. Then go to the next and repeat it 3 times again. 2, 3. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and make a slip stitch. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and insert your hook in the same space and make a slip stitch. With this you have completed your first petal. Now repeat the same process for the rest of your petals. I won't be going fast with this video so that you can see it and understand it more clearly. You will have 6 petals because we are using 2 chains, 2 spaces for 1 petal, and we have made 12 double crochets, so we will get 6 petals. 2 divided by 12, which means 2 6 are 12, so we get 6 petals. This puffler is already covered in one of my videos in which I have shown how to make a lipstick holder, and this puffler is so cute that you can use it for your clips add a pin behind so you can use it on your shirt or any stylish blouse. This is amazing, looks really beautiful. So try it in ways that you would love to use it. You can even comment below just to give me a boost to make better videos for you next time. I honestly hope you are enjoying this tutorial, and in case you are enjoying this tutorial, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me, and I would never want to miss this opportunity to thank all my dear subscribers who have already subscribed to my channel and supporting me this far. Thank you so much from the depth of my heart. Now we are already halfway through. We completed 3 petals and 3 are left. Now once again yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the next space and pull up a loop. Once again yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the same space, pull up a loop. Once again yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the same space, pull up a loop. It should be done 3 times. Then repeated in the next space 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all the loops on your crochet hook and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your crochet hook in the same space and make a slip stitch. Once again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the next space. Pull up the loop 1, 2, 3. Now yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the next space and pull up 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your crochet hook. Make a slip stitch, chain 4, insert your crochet hook in the same space and make a slip stitch. This looks really cute. We are almost done. The last petal is left. Let's chain 4 once again. Yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the next space, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the next space and pull up a loop. Once again yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the next space and pull up the loop. Repeat this 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all the loops on your crochet hook and make a slip stitch. Chain your 4 for the last time and insert your crochet hook in the same space. Make a slip stitch. Now this very beautiful and lovely flower is ready. Now what I do is I take the yarn tail that I began with, a little bit of yarn that is there, and pull it through the loop and then fasten it with a working chain so the knot is nice and tight. Then you tie the pink yarn with a pink yarn and the white yarn to the white and just hide the yarn between the work itself. using your crochet hook. The purpose of tucking in the yarn within your work is very important so that your work does not open up. Cutting the yarn too short could actually open up during washing or any other process during time. With time, and your work can open up. So therefore hide the yarn in between the same color, and the excess yarn then should be snipped off. I hope I've given you sufficient information on basic crocheting tips. Now we are coming to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial with me. Have a great day ahead. Happy crocheting, and I will meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.